One,
Finish.
start.
Good afternoon, dignitaries. We are the students of Government City College, Nayapur. This is Srinidhi, my friend Praveen Kumar, Akriti Kumari, Priya and Rishi. We are here with the topic Administration of COVID-19 Containment, Relief Measures and its impact on migrated labor and daily wage earners during pandemic crisis. A case study of Charminar Zone in GHMC. Introduction. Corona from the Wuhan to the Hyderabad, the heart of Telangana, has influenced and impacted each and every piece of land throughout the world. And today we are in the time in which we are experiencing the drastic and nasty consequences of COVID-19. In this context, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation has taken many initiations in order to help the poor people, marginalized people, daily laborer and migrant laborers. In order to help them, they have initiated providing food for ₹5 with the Annapurna canteens and have conducted vaccination drives and also have conducted door-to-door fever service and so on. So, in order to help the surveyors, researchers and the policymakers, the statement of this problem is we have chosen this topic from the Department of Political Science in order to help the policymakers and government to go further, to take further initiations in order to curb the third wave of COVID-19. So, I thank you and now my friend Praveen is going to help you in explaining about the objectives of the topic.
My part is objectives of the studies. So, these are the objectives which we have framed based on the severity of the situation. In this, the major objective of the study is to study the executive of the COVID-19 containment relief measures and their impact on daily wages and migrated laborers during the pandemic situation. So, the other important objective of the study is to examine the GHMC of Charminar Zone provided shelter to the migrant laborers and daily wages. So, the most important objective of the study is to find out the distribution of COVID-19 kits, door-to-door fever survey and special sanitation drives. So, the other objective of the study is to find out the measures of GHMC provided in micro-containment zones, slum areas and so on. So, the other important objective of the study is to find out the people's perception and effects of administration of COVID vaccination drives and steps of prevention. So, the other most important objective of the study is to find out the special initiatives of GHMC of Charminar Zone, like it increased the number of Annapurna canteens and supplied meal for ₹5, and it also supplied the essential needs to the people during the pandemic situations. So now my friend Akriti Kumar will going to explain the research methodology.
My topic is about research methodology, that is the method which are used for research purpose. Our data is collected from two sources, that is primary sources, which refers to random sampling method, that means directly interacting with the people. Secondary sources which refer to electric and digital media. Our 75% of the data is collected from primary sources, remaining 25% from secondary sources. For random sampling method, we have selected the Charminar Zone. Within the Charminar Zone, we have selected the 6 circles, that is Santosh Nagar, Rajendra Nagar, Charminar and so on. Within the 6 circles, we have selected the 5 most affected wards. Within these 5 most affected wards, we have selected the 30 ward councils where we have seen the severity and outbreak of the cases. For random sampling method, we have added the questionnaire to the 600 respondents. We also asked the reason and suggestion in order to prevent the consequences in the future. Thank you. Remaining part will be covered by friend Priya.
I am here to present the major findings of our survey. It is found from the study that the execution of COVID-19 containment measures are very essential for coming out from the situation of life and death of the marginalized section of the society, such as migrant workers, construction workers and daily wage earners. Around 90% respondents said that the special initiatives of GHMC has helped a lot to the vulnerable section of the society. In fact, they acted as a kalpavriksha to them. Coming to vaccination drive and their impact on prevention and slowing down the transmission of COVID-19, around 87% of people said it was an excellent step. Some reason behind lack of participation of people in vaccination campaign are lack of time after lockdown, fear of reduction in life expectancy and careless attitude. Last but not least, one of our respondents, Abdul Hafiz, said severity of the problem. Now, I would like to call Rishi for suggestions.
So, in our study, we found 90% of our subjects reporting satisfaction regarding the initiatives taken up by the Telangana government and the GHMC. But we found some loopholes too, and we expect via these suggestions for some improvement. Point number 1 says vaccination drives at working places. More number of Annapurna canteens must be set up, and also those who are found consuming alcohol at Annapurna canteens must be checked. Door-to-door rations must be provided to the migrant workers, door-to-door sanitation drives, and so on. We have seen how the Charminar zone, the city of Pearls, got affected, how it suffered during the COVID-19 pandemic, and how the GHMC and the Telangana government tried hard enough to alleviate the miseries of these people. Therefore, I would like to quote a proverb, "Jaan hai to jahan hai." There is no world without life. That means COVID-19 is all about saving lives. You need to prevent. Prevention is better than cure. Instead of working hard to find a cure, we need to try to prevent the disease. I thank Commissioner Sir for giving us the opportunity, also our judges, audience, and also our supervisor and principal, Government City College Nayapur, for letting us take this opportunity to explain and bring to light the COVID situation in Charminar. Therefore, as responsible citizens, I would like to conclude with the pledge. But before that, one matchstick is enough to burn an entire forest. In the same way, one irresponsible person is enough to damage the whole society by infecting them. So, we would like to take a pledge as a conclusion, as a promise. We, the people of India, and humanity as a whole, pledge to follow all COVID rules and regulations, save lives, get vaccinated, prevent COVID-19, and maintain dignity. Thank you.